Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here for probably over a year now. I've actually been away in Papua New Guinea and northern Queensland doing missionary work, which has been crazy, and like medical missionary work, and it's just been a crazy year. Let's get into it. So today I'm planning on showing you my favorite current look, and I actually haven't worn makeup in, as much as I used to in a really long time. So I'm going to start off with the Skin02 Radiance Mineral Primer. So I'm going to use my Beauty Blender. Give it a shake. So just a couple pumps. Or a lot if it comes out slowly. And then I'm just going to put that all over my face. So this primer is actually adapting to my skin tone. So if you're like, I don't know if it's gonna suit me, then this is perfect because it'll adapt. And then after that, I'm gonna use the Skin02 BB Mineral BB Foundation for fair skin. And this stuff is great because it works, and a couple pumps. So this stuff is great because it works really well with the primer. So hand in hand, they're brilliant. And this stuff actually smells amazing. It kind of smells like, rose water. And it's like, so good. And you can just build it up as you need it. So adding more. So lots actually changed since I've last been on here. I obviously have darker hair. And I got these ear piercings, which is actually a crazy story because I ended up having 2 seizures from them. Really great stuff. So when it's at the level that you're liking, I'm then going to use the Shape and Shade Custom Contour Duo in Light by Stila. So I'm just going to get a foundation brush and do the light first. Doing my triangle. And down the bridge. I'm going to go the other side of the brush and use some of the contour. So it's good just from like the top of your ear to like the edge of your eyebrow and nose point. And I'm just going to get my Beauty Blender again and do just the light areas first and then the contour. Then I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation in Light because I am light. And this stuff is so good. It smells like cocoa and you either love it or you hate it. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and this is actually my favorite powder because it just makes everything look so matte and just so like, nice. And if you have trouble like finding a powder foundation that makes your skin just look flawless, then I recommend going to this. Then I'm going to get my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Hoola. And it comes with a little brush inside. And then again, just from the top of the ear around. And then top of my forehead. Just above my eyebrows. And then I'm going to blend that a bit just with my brush. I used to get bangs when I was away, so if you see these little like fuzzies, that's what it is. And then I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the colour Incandescent Electra. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to use the Afterglow highlighter in Aura, which is so beautiful. And it's perfect for this pink look that I'm doing because it's a pink shade. So I'm just doing it on the top of the cheek, next to my eyebrows, bridge of my nose, especially on the end, and Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to use my Skin02 Brow Shaping Powder. So because my hair's a bit dark now, I'm going to use this black colour for the outside and then the brown colour just on the inside, just to give it a nice natural-ish flow. And then the brown. And I'm gonna just brush it. I find that using powders just always looks so much more natural. Like if you use a gel, then it's, I mean, it still looks nice depending on what kind of look you're going for, but if, yeah, you're just wanting something more natural, powder is definitely the way to go. I'm then going to take my Stila Eyes of the Window shadow palette in Spirit. I'm just going to use this light colour just to set a base over my eyes. Then I'm just going to take the colour Pigale, this one, and I'm going to do the crease of my eye. I'm just going to start it off really light and then build it up because it is quite a dark colour and I don't want it to be super dark. And then I'm going to take my Big Mama Kaleidoscope palette and just in the first section, because you can detach all of these like so, I'm just going to take this bright pink colour right here and do that all over my lid. And I'm just going to blend that. And then I'm just going to take my Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. And I'm going to take the colour Pure Ganesh, which is a really nice gold colour. And I'm just going to place that just in the middle of the colour. And then I'm going to blend the top of that as well, because I'm all about that blend. And then again, I'm just going to take that pink colour, this one, and do it underneath. Wow, a really attractive face on the under eye. And then again with my gold, and we're just going to do that in the middle of that lower lid. And then just in the tear duct. And then I'm going to take my Rimmel London Glam-Eyes Professional Liquid Liner, which is currently my go-to, because one, it's cheap, which is what I like, and it's actually got a really thin point, so you can really define that wing. I'm going to wait for that to dry. And I'm going to get my lash curlers. So then I'm going to get my Maybelline Great Lash Big Black is Black. Boom. Looks like a watermelon. And I'm just going to do a coat on my top and bottom lashes. And handy hint, if you're running out of mascara, wiggle it around, don't pump it, because if you pump it, you pump an air into it and you make it dry up. And then I'm going to get my Mecca Cosmetica Luxe False Lashes. They look like this. And I'm just going to apply that with a Revlon Lash Adhesive. Wow, that was a really to say it. Lash Adhesive. Boom. Said it. So these are actually pretty natural compared to some lashes. You can go more extreme if you're going out somewhere, your wedding, I don't know, a formal event. And to finish off this look, I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Patina. And these are really good because they last forever and they go on really smoothly and they're just so good. And just to settle this, I'm just going to use the Skin O2 Hydrating Spritz. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. This is my go-to at the moment. I think it's just so much fun especially with the colour, and I love to use colours in my makeup, and I just really love it. And I just think pink just looks so nice, especially with dark hair, but on any skin and any hair colour, and just it's just so nice. It's such like a feminine look, and I just love it. You guys should definitely check out all of these brands, you know, too, Stila, Zoeva, and more. Skin02 is such a good brand because they've just got so much stuff out, and especially for any skin type. It was made for acne skin, so any skin type. It's just so great. They just have